Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is Wrɛwrɛ soup. Wrɛwrɛ nkwan papa bi, yes, melon seed soup, and that is what I'm going to share with you today. So please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Okay, so we'll start by taking any foreign material from our melon seeds. I'm going to share two methods with you. Okay, you can choose any of them. Okay, so I'll just take any form of foreign material from it, and I'm going to divide it into two. Please, if you subscribe, do well to click on the notification bell. It helps so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified, okay? And also do well to like the video for me. YouTube will use your likes and your comments to rate my video. Okay, so do well for me. And so I've divided it into two, and I'm washing one. Most of us don't know that we can as well boil it. And so if you're not good at the roasting or the frying one, because if you don't roast it well, you are going to end up not getting a delicious melon seed soup. So if you're not good at roasting it well, then boil it. So I'm going to wash it. I wash it for about 3 times. Then I'll pour it into my saucepan, add water to it, and then take it to fire and allow it to boil very well. Okay, please do well to like this video for me, okay? Subscribe if you have not yet done so. And I want to say thank you to all those who have subscribed. And so this is the one that I am going to roast or fry a bit. And so this is the second method. So you can choose to use the boiling method or the roasting or frying method. Do you get it? And so the moment you see that it has started popping, then it means it's almost ready. You are not going to fry this to be very brown. You should not get it burnt, because if it does, you are going to end up having a bad wrɛwrɛ nkwan. So just pour and then allow it to cool. I am going to boil my tomatoes, my onions, and peppers, then garden eggs, and also turkey berries. Okay, so I used about 5 medium size of garden eggs. You can reduce it or add more if you want. And also added turkey berries to it, add water to it, and I'm going to boil it. Yes, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to blend my ingredients for steaming of my chicken. Yes, I'm going to use chicken and a bit of fish for this soup. So I'm going to boil 1 big size of onion with some pepper, garlic, and ginger. Then I'll also add some natural mixed spices to it and blend it together. Okay, please subscribe. I want to say thank you to all those who have subscribed. Nana Akosia Efri, God bless you. Okay, you always watch me, you always leave a comment, and I really appreciate it. For you, your support is very much appreciated. Thank you. And so we are going to add water and blend. This is the chicken that I'm using, hard chicken. I'm adding salt to it. Use the salt according to your taste and preference, okay? And I'm going to add some seasoning to it. So you can use any seasoning of your choice, okay? And I'm adding my blended ingredients also to it. We are going to steam it. So we are checking on our wrɛwrɛ, the one that we are boiling, and at this point it's ready. So it's easy to break, and so it's ready. So what I'll do is I'm going to strain the water from it, and then I'll wash it with some cold water, and I'll blend it with cold water. So you don't, the water that you use to boil, don't use the same water to blend it because of the strong smell of wrɛwrɛ. Yes, so at this point, this is the one that we roasted. Yes, you can also roast it in your oven, and this is the one that we boiled. Yes, so when you get to this point, the rest, the method is the same. And so you can decide to choose the boiling method or the roasting method. Okay, so I'm going to blend it with enough water. Yes, enough water. And after blending, I'm going to strain it. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Okay, and do well to click on the notification bell. It's very necessary. Please do that for me. Okay, so we are going to pour and then strain it. Yes. And what I did was, when I was straining, I used enough water to strain to get everything out. And this affected my cooking time. And so please, if you are doing it, don't use too much water. Try to reduce the amount of water you use so that it doesn't affect your cooking time. Okay, so I'm going to add the chaff to the dry one and blend that one also. I want to say thank you to all of you once again for watching me. If you are a new person here, please don't leave without subscribing, okay? And do well to click on the notification bell as well. Okay, so I am straining the next one, and then I'll add water to it again to squeeze everything out. Yes. Okay, so what we are making is wrɛwrɛ, melon seed soup. Hey, I don't know the kind of melon that the seed is coming from though, but if you know, you can share with me. Is it our usual watermelon or yellow melon or which melon? Okay, so I am going to strain it again to get every form of chaff out. Yes. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to boil it. What my grandmother does is she doesn't boil it. She doesn't boil. She will just pour it straight to a steamed fish or meat. And so this is our chicken we have steamed. But I am going to boil it. So I learned that because we use salt to steam our meat, if you pour it on it straight, it's going to coagulate small in it and you'll not get it smooth. Okay, so these are my boiled ingredients. I will allow it to cool and then blend it. And so in order to avoid that small coagulation, like when agushi comes into contact with salt, just boil it. Okay, so I'm adding some fish to it. And so you boil to prevent that so that you get it very smooth. So I am adding the boiled wrɛwrɛ to it. As I said, the water that I used in rinsing or straining was too much, so just try and reduce the amount of water. Okay, so we are going to cover and give it time for it to cook very well. My dear, if you are watching me, I beg subscribe. Okay, so at this point I'm going to add the blended ingredient. I didn't strain. You can decide to strain it to get the chaff of tomatoes and the other ingredient, but I decided to add everything to it. Yes. Okay, so give it time for it to cook, and I am going to add some okras and chili pepper to it, which are optional. You don't really need to add it. Okay. Okay, so our soup is finally ready to be served. Yes, our wrɛwrɛ. Yes, very delicious. You can enjoy this with your fufu, your rice balls, your abete or konkonte, and face the wall. And so this is it, and I'm going to enjoy this with my rice balls. You will need to give this a try, Charlie. This is not your usual way of making rice balls. I'm going to post the recipe very soon for you to watch. Thank you so much, my dear. Give this wrɛwrɛ or melon seed soup recipe a try. You can choose the boiling method or the roasting or frying method. Thanks so much for watching. Like, share, and leave a comment. Bye bye.